Hawaii. The very name conjures images of idyllic beaches, swaying palm trees, and crystal-clear waters. But beneath this veneer of paradise lies a heart of fire, a testament to the awesome power that forged these islands from the depths of the Pacific. This is a land where volcanoes reign supreme, where molten rock breathes life into new landscapes, and where the raw, untamed forces of nature are on full display. Join me now as we embark on a thrilling road trip through Hawaii's volcanic heart, a journey that will take us face to face with fiery craters, desolate lava flows, and the awe-inspiring power of creation and destruction. Our adventure begins on the Big Island, home to some of the most active volcanoes on Earth. Here, the very ground beneath our feet seems to pulsate with the rhythm of the Earth's fiery breath. We'll be exploring ancient lava tubes, driving through otherworldly landscapes, sculpted by molten rock and standing on the edge of craters still glowing with volcanic heat. This is a journey into the heart of creation, a chance to witness the raw power that has shaped these islands for millennia. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure as we delve into the fiery heart of paradise. Our journey begins at the gateway to this volcanic wonderland, Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. This sprawling park is a testament to the raw power of nature. It encompasses a vast area stretching from the summit of Mauna Loa, one of the largest volcanoes on Earth, to the Pacific Ocean. As we enter the park, the air grows heavy with the scent of sulfur, a reminder of the powerful forces at work beneath our feet. Towering trees draped in emerald moss line the road, their branches reaching towards the sky. The air is cool and damp, a stark contrast to the fiery landscapes that await us. This is a place of contrasts, where lush rainforests give way to barren lava fields, and where the power of creation and destruction are forever intertwined. Our first stop is the Kilauea Visitor Center, a hub of information on the park's volcanic activity and geological history. Here we can learn about the science behind these fiery giants, and gain a deeper understanding of the forces that have shaped this incredible landscape. Rangers are on hand to answer questions and provide insights into the latest volcanic activity, ensuring we are well prepared for the adventures that lie ahead. From the Visitor Center, we embark on a journey through time, following the winding path of Chain of Craters Road. This scenic route descends 3,700 feet over 19 miles, taking us past volcanic craters, lava flows, and stunning coastal views. Each turn in the road reveals a new vista, a testament to the ever-changing nature of this volcanic landscape. The road cuts through lava flows dating back centuries, some smooth and rippled, others jagged and broken. We can see where molten rock once flowed like rivers of fire, leaving behind a trail of destruction and rebirth. Along the way we encounter numerous craters, each with its own story to tell. Some are small and perfectly formed, while others are massive depressions in the earth, their sheer scale difficult to comprehend. As we descend further, the vegetation changes dramatically. Lush rainforests give way to sparse shrubs and hardy ferns, clinging to life in this harsh environment. The air grows hotter and drier, and the scent of sulfur intensifies, reminding us of the fiery forces that lie just beneath the surface. The road eventually dead ends where lava flows have consumed the pavement, a stark reminder of the ongoing volcanic activity in the area. Here we can park and take a short hike to get a closer look at the lava flows and witness the raw power of nature firsthand. Section 4. The Dance of Creation and Destruction, Witnessing Kilauea's Power. Our journey takes us to the heart of the action, the legendary Kilauea volcano. Until recently, Kilauea held the title of the world's most active volcano, and its fiery temperament continues to shape the island today. We make our way to the edge of the caldera, a massive depression in the earth that marks the volcano's heart. The ground rumbles beneath our feet, a constant reminder of the immense power that lies just below the surface. We gaze down into the caldera, its vastness difficult to comprehend. Plumes of steam and gas rise from vents in the crater floor, carrying with them the scent of sulfur and the raw energy of the earth. At night, the view is even more spectacular. The glow of the lava lake illuminates the night sky, casting an eerie orange glow over the surrounding landscape. It's a mesmerizing dance of creation and destruction, a reminder of the constant state of flux that defines this volcanic wonderland. We spend hours watching the lava flow, mesmerized by its slow, relentless movement. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of our own insignificance in the face of such raw, untamed power. Section 5. The Colossus of the Pacific, ascending the slopes of Mauna Loa. Leaving the fiery spectacle of Kilauea behind, we set our sights on a new objective, Mauna Loa. This colossal volcano dominates the landscape, its massive flanks rising from the ocean floor to an elevation of over 13,000 feet. We begin our ascent, the air growing thinner with every turn of the road. The landscape here is starkly beautiful. We drive through forests of endemic Hawaiian trees, their gnarled branches reaching towards the sky. As we climb higher, the vegetation thins, giving way to volcanic rock and cinder cones. The air is crisp and cool, and the views are simply breathtaking. We reach the summit area, a desolate yet awe-inspiring landscape. The air is thin up here, and the wind howls across the barren lava fields. We stand on the edge of the caldera, its vastness difficult to comprehend. From this vantage point, we can see for miles in every direction, taking in the full scope of this volcanic giant. Standing on the summit of Mauna Loa, we feel a sense of awe and wonder. We are on top of the world, surrounded by the raw beauty of nature. As we descend, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for the power and majesty of these volcanic giants. Section 6. Echoes of Creation, reflecting on the volcanic legacy. As our journey through Hawaii's volcanic landscapes draws to a close, we are left with a profound sense of awe and respect for the natural world. We have witnessed the raw power of creation and destruction, the constant dance between fire and earth that has shaped these islands for millennia. We have stood on the edge of craters, felt the heat of molten rock, and breathed in the sulfurous air of volcanic vents. We have seen the destructive power of lava flows and the regenerative power of nature, as new life emerges from the ashes of volcanic eruptions. This journey has been a humbling experience, a reminder of our own insignificance in the face of such immense natural forces. But it has also been a journey of discovery, a chance to witness the raw beauty and power of the Earth's creative forces. Section 7. An invitation to discover your own volcanic adventure. As we leave the fiery heart of paradise behind, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for the power of nature. We have seen the land transformed by fire, witnessed the birth of new landscapes, and felt the pulse of the earth beneath our feet. But this is just the beginning. The island of Hawaii is a living laboratory of volcanic activity, and there are countless opportunities for adventure and exploration. Whether you choose to hike through ancient lava tubes, kayak along the rugged coastline, or simply stand in awe of a fiery caldera, Hawaii's volcanoes offer an experience unlike any other. So I invite you to come and discover the fiery heart of paradise for yourself. Explore the volcanic landscapes, learn about the science behind these natural wonders, and experience the awe-inspiring power of creation and destruction. Your adventure awaits.